Hello friends, welcome back to VocabBuilder. Our today's word is hegemony. Hegemony is the predominant influence or leadership of one state, social group, or ideology over others, politically, culturally, or economically. When a country, organization, or even an idea becomes so dominant that it shapes the actions, beliefs, or policies of others, it exercises hegemony. Political hegemony, a superpower steering global policy. Cultural hegemony, a mainstream culture setting worldwide trends. Economic hegemony, a corporation dictating market standards. Synonyms, dominance, supremacy, ascendancy, predominance, control. Antonyms, subordination, inferiority, submission, powerlessness, equality. Let's see some examples. In the 19th century, Britain's naval strength secured its hegemony over global trade routes. Many critics argue that cultural hegemony in media can silence minority voices. The tech giant's hegemony in the smartphone market is being challenged by new competitors. If you found this word useful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow English learners. Subscribe for more powerful words like this every single day. And hey, try using hegemony in a sentence in the comments below.